Hey, what's up everybody? This is Miguel at Soundz Good Stereo and Aux. Now just showing you another system that we did. This one's a classic 71 GMC 3500. Check out the custom box. As you look in the middle, we did a replica of the factory grill. It's got two 12-inch Kenwood Excellent subwoofers, Kenwood Excellent amplifiers, and of course you gotta have the epicenter for that old school music. And of course it sounds good. As a matter of fact, it sounds amazing. Check out the old school track. There you have it everybody, the 71 GMC 3500, Miguel at Soundz Good Stereo, and of course, Jerry, come here. Jerry, the man behind the saw.